Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. I am your narrator for this course, Mursalin. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. Hello, welcome to lesson 4. This is what will you learn? To say this and that, simple nouns, how to use demonstrative nouns, transform masculine to feminine. Question: since I am new learning Arabic language and do not know much of the gender form, how do I ask what is this? Question: how do I ask about something I didn't know? Let's move on to the lesson. Lesson 4. This is Hassan. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. هذا this. Used for masculine gender form. كتاب a book. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. هذا دفتر. هذا دفتر. هذا this. دفتر a writing book. هذا دفتر. هذا دفتر. هذا قلم. هذا قلم. هذا this is. قلم a pen. هذا قلم. هذا قلم. هذه سبورة. هذه سبورة. هذه this. هذه refers to a feminine gender form. Sabura is a board. It means a feminine gender form because there is a sign there. We call this ta marbuta. Ta marbuta. هذه سبورة. هذه مجلة. هذه مجلة. هذه this is. مجلة a magazine. مجلة is a feminine gender form. So I need to use a demonstrative nouns which is equivalent to the female gender form. هذه مجلة. Now it's your turn. Just write it in Arabic and say the word ما هذا. Usage of Arabic phrase. The phrase هذه and هذا are demonstrative nouns. Whenever you say هذا, the word after that should be a masculine gender form, such as Hassan هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. Since kitab is masculine, you need to use a demonstrative noun that matches the masculine kitab by saying هذا. هذا. If you are referring to a feminine gender form, you need to use a feminine demonstrative noun such as هذه. Since مجلة is a feminine gender form, you need to use هذه. Question: since I am new learning Arabic language and do not know much of the gender form, how do I ask what is this? Answer: just say ما هذا. ما هذا. The Arabic person who hears you will reply with the right demonstrative nouns. Question: how do I ask about something I didn't know? Answer: كيف تقول بالعربية؟ كيف تقول بالعربية؟ كيف means how. تقول do you say بالعربية in Arabic. كيف تقول بالعربية? Grammar tips. Transforming masculine nouns to feminine nouns. Since the Arabic language consists of gender forms, the learner has no choice but to memorize the nouns. Below is a table of the nouns. Some nouns are easy to transform from masculine noun to feminine nouns by inserting a suffix at the end of the word. With ta marbuto. Regular nouns can be easily transformed to feminine by just inserting ta marbuto at the end of the word. Let's look at column 1, masculine gender form, column 2, feminine gender form. You will notice that masculine has no ta marbuto, but the feminine form has ta marbuto at the end of the noun. Let's read. طالب, a student. طالبة, a student. It means a female student. مدرس, a teacher. مدرسة, موظف, a milk clerk. موظفة, a female clerk. طبيب, a male doctor. طبيبة, a female doctor. مهندس, a male engineer. مهندسة, a female engineer. مدير, a male manager. مديرة, a female manager. Let's repeat again. طالب, طالبة. مدرس, مدرسة. موظف, موظفة. طبيب, طبيبة. مهندس, مهندسة. مدير, مديرة. Street talk with Arab locals. ما means what? ما. كيف means how. لمن whose. أين where. ما بك what's wrong with you. ماذا عنك how about you. The above list is easy to use, but insert some nouns. كيف أنت, how are you. كيف أنت. أين أنت, where are you for male. أين أنت. أين أنت, where are you for female. أين أنت. Write the Arabic phrase.